We 90s kids, we were waiting to see the
Yeah.
19 Australia 1999 to 2007 dominance era. I saw a lot of posts where people said, जीत रहे हैं तो क्रिकेट बोरिंग होता जा रहा है. Ask us fans. We were waiting for the domination era to come in and we are going to enjoy this
It's
era.
the ever growing rise of the Indian century.
Absolutely.
इंडिया से रहा है.
This is Indian century, right? And ये जो sustained dominance जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने किया था, we are replicating it,
Yes.
and I hopefully it continues in the next year in form of 50 over World Cup, and उसके बाद 2028 में जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में.
We
And
have to
Hardik's
laud
dream.
all state associations and BCCI
Correct.
for
Domestic जो अपना
the
game है,
grassroots level
yeah,
cricket that they have developed,
Yeah, and of course-
and the emergence of IPL. I mean,
Yeah,
after that, the talent pool that has
Right.
come out,
Yeah.
the franchisees, the
Correct.
scouts deep dig to find out players, and if you see, it's a continuity. A women's team is winning, a under 19
Yeah.
team is winning, men's team is winning. So there's that consistency. At every stage there is that understanding of the strength, weakness. I think that SWOT analysis that has been done is superb.
And India has stopped looking at now a series by series win.
Yeah.
India is looking at cricket at a professional level where it continues for years to come.
Yeah.
सूर्य ने बोला ना कि अभी नेक्स्ट गोल 2028 का ओलंपिक्स है
Olympics,
और T20 वर्ल्ड कप है.
That shows their
और
vision.
वैसे ही होना चाहिए कि हमको अभी
वैसे ही.
वर्ल्ड कप दिखता है.
I think we are on right track, you know,
Yeah.
credit to the system and the infrastructure. It's a well-oiled system now,
Yeah.
right? We have a COE which is running, led by Lakshman, right? In selection we have Ajit Agarkar, right? In coach we have Gautam Gambhir as well. So I guess ये सब लोग एक मतलब it's very well coordinated.
I
And
think
guess
all
वो
the-
एक infrastructure है
The
set. अभी से
SOPs
एक
that
बार-
have been set up are being
Correct.
executed exactly how it should be.
Yeah, and एक बार हम लोग ने सिस्टम वो किल कर दिया है. Now it's just churning out
Yes.
players, and we've been churning out players एक के बाद एक.
And Tilak
I-
Verma is the biggest example of that.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो मेरा ना तुम तीनों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन है. वर्ल्ड कप तो अपने अभी आ गया है. तुम लोग अभी कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि प्लेइंग लेवल में चेंजेस होगा, कोई प्लेयर बाहर जाएगा, कोई प्लेयर अंदर आने की चांसेस है? क्या लगता है अगर तुमको?
Again, see, I think Varun should take some time off and Kuldeep should come in, right?
नहीं,
I think
वो तो तू कह रहा स्क्वाड में चेंजेस.
हाँ.
तू कोई बाहर से अंदर,
अच्छा,
अंदर से
okay.
बाहर, मैं वो चाहता हूँ.
I
That
feel
way.
वो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
longer
टेक्निकली सिराज भी निकल जाएगा. सिराज भी रिप्लेसमेंट था
हर्षित राणा.
जब हर्षित राणा आएगा. हाँ,
Yeah.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि तुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कि
Okay.
वैभव सूर्यवंशी, जैसे कि श्रेयस अय्यर,
यशस्वी
शुभमन
जायसवाल.
जैसा इनका तुझे क्या लगता है
what
फ्यूचर
is the
क्या है?
next big tournament we are looking at is the 2028 World Cup in Australia.
And New Zealand.
The mindset now has to shift from the subcontinent team to an Australia New Zealand team.
बाउंसी पिचेस,
Bouncy wickets.
Long
And that is where the team
boundaries.
combination will be required.
Yes.
People like Jaiswal, people like Shreyas Iyer, who plays fast wickets very well, will be considered. And again, it's a 2-year exercise that happens.
Yeah.
ये भी टीम जो बनाया गया वो overnight नहीं बना.
But I think
Years दिया
पर
गया.
किसके अगेंस्ट तू लाएगा? ये प्लेइंग लेन तो अपना सेट है.
नहीं, see, playing 11 जैसे सेट है उसमें भी injuries, people coming in going
नहीं,
out.
मैं तुझे
So,
मैं तुझे
player-
क्लियर बोलता हूँ कि अगर कोई इंजर्ड नहीं हुआ
Correct.
तो तू क्या करता है? सेम लेन तुझे लगता है सेम 11 28 खेलेगा?
देख विशाल, लॉन्गर रन में अगर तू देखेगा फॉर्म भी मैटर करता है. उस
हाँ,
वक्त
नहीं, मैं
28 में
एक
I
सिनेरियो दे
take
रहा
the
हूँ.
best example of
Assuming.
Ishan Kishan.
हाँ.
Ishan
Scenario
Kishan
दे
did not play for 2 years, but he was made ready.
Correct.
He will have to have a pool of players. Harshit Rana going out and then Siraj coming in, और Siraj well oiled नहीं होता, वो नहीं कर पाता. While we have a squad, there have to be backup players जहाँ पे कभी भी टीम अगर किसी को replace करना पड़े तो doesn't look out of sorts. And to do that, they have to ensure that the extra players, or right now we'll choose 15 players, but there is always 20 to 22 players that are being played in the bilaterals to be selected for that 15-member squad.
इमर्जिंग प्लेयर्स.
Emerging players,
So
even
no
people
single player
sitting.
comes to a thought. I
Absolutely.
guess
Yeah.
core जो अपना है, it's more or less same ही है, right?
Yeah.
उसके around there would be
Right.
players coming and going in.
मेरा
But I think हाँ तेरा
एक
कुछ
thought है.
हाँ बोल.
अगर इंडिया ये हारता ना वर्ल्ड कप, मुझे लगता है सूर्या ये बाहर
हाँ.
होता है. इसीलिए
सूर्या
मिला
आई डोंट थिंक नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप तक.
मैं इसलिए मैं उस पे आ रहा था. सूर्या अगर जीत भी गए तो मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी उसने रिटायरमेंट अनाउंस तो नहीं किया है. मे भी वो 1 साल ले लेगा. उसमें अगर फॉर्म आ गया तो कंटिन्यू करेगा, नहीं तो मुझे लगता है कि श्रेयस अय्यर का अंदर आना बहुत ही चांसेस है. एज अ कैप्टन भी आ
Captain
सकता
as
है
well, yes.
अय्यर.
Yes.
और अभी आईपीएल भी है. अगर
Yeah.
अय्यर ने कुछ कर डाला अलग तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत चांसेस है.
And what India is been playing is they are not playing on player-driven template. They have a template and you make players
Yeah,
ready to
yeah,
fit into
correct,
that template.
And my thought is, you know, there is over reliance on Jasprit Bumrah.
वो तो होगा ही यार.
Bowling department है ना. I think मेरे को लगता है और स्ट्रेंथन करना चाहिए
100%.
you know
Bumrah
in
is
terms of
32,
spinning.
right?
Yeah,
Bumrah is 32 right now.
Yeah, 32.
Playing a World Cup at
Yeah.
34 as a
He
fast
will-
bowler.
नहीं
Yeah.
बुमराह टेक्निकली विल
See,
प्ले
he will
मोर
play.
टू वर्ल्ड कप्स
But I just don't want, you know,
मैं नहीं कहता वो ओडीआई
तो
खेलेगा
अगर मैं बैटिंग बॉलिंग और फील्डिंग देखूं, आई थिंक व्हाट इज द वीकेस्ट लिंक एटलीस्ट फॉर मी इज द बॉलिंग. इट लुक्स लाइक यू नो बीन वेरी क्रिटिकल.
थर्ड पेसर मुझे
हम लोग कुछ ज्यादा ही डिपेंडेंट है बुमराह पे, राइट? एंड श्योर शॉट इफ यू वांट टू गो इनटू 2028 लाइक एज अ क्लियर फेवरेट्स, राइट? आई
You
थिंक
need-
when you are in Australia or New Zealand, you would need someone else as well.
And there has to be some level of
And I think preferably a spinner, यार. So I don't know who that
Some
is.
level of
Probably
work.
Kuldeep.
पर
As of now, मेरे को
अभी मैं
दिमाग
तुझे
में है.
बताऊँ अज्यूम करके 2028 चालू है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वर्ल्ड कप है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अपने को 4 पेसर लगेंगे, तो थर्ड तो मैं अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ अर्षित राणा होगा, फिट होगा, मैं अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ अर्शदीप होगा, बुमराह होगा.
सिराज.
फोर्थ तुझे लगता है कि हार्दिक पांड्या का रोल होगा कि तुझे लगता है कि शिवम दुबे को भी थोड़ा वो बिगर रोल देंगे?
I hope Shivam. But yeah.
नहीं,
Yeah, Hardik Pandya will play a role. He's played
Yeah.
that third seamer always. Hardik Pandya with wickets in Australia is a little more lethal player.
तो
So
मुझे
the-
लगता है मे बी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वो लोग एक स्पिनर के साथ जा सकते हैं और एक स्पिनर के बदले हर्षित राणा आ सकता है मे बी, पर यू नेवर नो. तभी
Arshad Rana, yeah, too. Yeah,
But then that is a very
I have
good
my
homework that
questions
you are
on-
talking about.
Yeah.
India has to come with a mindset that trophy is not a milestone. Trophy is just a pit stop.
Yeah.
There are trophies coming in, and let's keep doing this homework again and
The
again.
continuous journey.
Correct. And अपना वो system है, you know, I think we'll be churning out players. So I think 2028 also, मतलब we are fearless. I guess वो culture set हो गया है.
तो
That's
देखना
a
अभी
good thing.
हम लोग भी आज मैच खत्म हुआ है और हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं 2028 का बात कर रहे हैं.
Correct. Yeah.
ये दिखा था कि अपना मेंटेलिटी भी अभी स्ट्रांग हो गया
हो गया है,
है.
right.
अभी अपन आईपीएल का बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम जो इंडिया इंग्लैंड में जाने वाला है, उसकी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं, हमको वर्ल्ड कप चाहिए.
And I will thank Rohit Sharma for
Correct.
setting that template.
Yes,
Thank you so
absolutely.
much for that 2022 mindset where you told DK we'll have to change. And वो करने के लिए you did not put the pressure on somebody else.
खुद
You
ने लिया.
put your foot
Yes.
forward and said,
Yeah.
I am the one who's doing it. Try and follow these footsteps and we'll be a better team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we are showing the fruits are reaping out of that
Yes.
particular decision.
The vision that he set out and the mentality that he set out in that team that won the 2024 World Cup, we see there is a change in the body language also.
Absolutely.
There is that confidence that is exuding. So you don't play against a team, against a bowler, against a batsman. You play against the quality of ball that is being delivered. You look at your pitching areas. So again, it's the execution with the bat and the ball, not whom you are playing against.
Yeah.
So I mean, even when we lost against South Africa, it wasn't because South Africa was very strong. We spoke about this. It was an error in our execution
Batting
and probably a little bit of an overconfident feeling, which
Yeah.
we needed. I think that loss
Yeah.
was needed to show us the reality, get us a reality check. So even when we go to 2028 World Cup or Olympics that we are talking about, we are certainly going to need these reality checks in
Yeah.
between, where you're not overhyping someone, you're not underhyping someone. Someone like an Abhishek should be given a break. Someone
Yeah.
like a Varun should be given a break. You should let them, enjoy this.
बुमराह को भी
this
थोड़ा भी
time.
So I
Yeah.
guess workload management,
Yes,
what we are
workload
referring
management
to,
is very
right?
important.
That will
And I-
help other players get
Yes.
exposure.
Yeah. So I think playbook has been set by Rohit Sharma.
Yeah.
We are adapting to different conditions. So subcontinent में ये था तो हमने वैसा खेला. And kudos to India, we have been one of the most traveled teams
Yes.
and playing
हर
in
जगह में
different
better
pitches,
Correct.
right? Going to Sri Lanka, going to India, India में भी different pitches, So we are not कि एक ही जगह पे अपन रुके थे. Probably like a South Africa,
And then
right?
without
And that's why
complaining.
we are
Yeah.
worthy of winning this final.
वेस्ट इंडीज भी
For me.
सब मैच मोस्टली इसका ईडन गार्डन
Correct. So
That also brings me to you talking about Rohit Sharma, his vision and all of that. Rohit Sharma did start that culture, but now you see Rohit Sharma put that culture in his team, and now he himself, the way he's preparing for the 2027 World Cup, you look at his body language, you look at him
Right here.
bringing himself in the field. Yes,
he was
Shivaji-
right
Shivaji
here.
right here.
Either he was
Shivaji
right
Park
here.
में
So मतलब he is very focused. अब देख परसों प्रैक्टिस किया, कल फाइनल अटेंड किया, आज मॉलडीव्स में.
यस ये लाइफ है
तो
भाई,
हाँ, मतलब he knows, he is very clear
क्लियर
in
है,
his plan.
क्लियर
He is
है.
very
और
clear.
रोहित शर्मा का जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना, मुझे लगता है मेंटेलिटी था,
हाँ.
पर हम लोग बड़े स्टेज में, सेमीफाइनल में, फाइनल में आके हम लोग शेल में आ रहे थे. बायलेटर से हम लोग तभी भी 350 340 मार रहे थे 50 ओवर्स में, पर हम सेमीफाइनल में आके, फाइनल में आके जो रोहित शर्मा ने दिखा दिया कि मैं ऐसा ही खेलूंगा.
The 48 ball 92 against Australia
I think best
was
innings
the turning point where he showed was this is how we
Yes.
play in a knockout
नहीं
game.
उसके दिमाग में वो होगा 19 नवंबर,
हाँ.
वो सोच के
वो
उसने
कभी नहीं
खेला.
रहेगा यार, वो
Correct.
तो
वो हमारे में बोला
Taking nothing away from Surya,
Yeah.
he has joined the league of MS Dhoni and Rohit Sharma, no doubt. But I think, I mean, not being rude to Surya or something, but what has happened is Rahul Dravid and Rohit Sharma together have served a team to him in a platter.
Yeah.
They've given roles, they've given him a roadmap.
Correct.
They've given him, and I'm not sure if Gambhir follows that, he has a different playbook,
Yeah.
but they've given him a roadmap.
See,
And
yeah.
that roadmap is being followed very
That's
precisely.
what Gambhir credited
Yes.
in the press conference also कि राहुल द्रविड़ को उसने because वो जब भी ट्रांजिशन हुआ
हाँ.
probably एक प्लेबुक भी आ ही गया था कि ये ऐसे फॉलो करने का है and Gambhir with his inputs and Surya we know is a product of Mumbai Indians he's played
Yes.
with
और रोहित
Rohit and
सैनबॉय
everything
भी
तो उसको पता है कि रोहित कैसे करता था and everything और उसमें उसने उसका thoughts
और
लगाए होंगे
सूर्या
but
हमेशा
more or
बोलता
less
ही
I guess playbook वही है रोहित का
सूर्य हमेशा
is what I
इंटरव्यू में
feel.
बोलता है कि मतलब
Yeah.
जूता मेरा है,
Footsteps
रोहित शर्मा का।
correct
But see, why when we talk about this, the positive side of this is when we talk about Australia playing with that mentality in 1999 to 2007.
yeah
This is what is required. Because you don't want to come to a situation where a coach changes and we restart the team again.
Correct.
No, that has to be like a machine, well-oiled machine.
Yes.
You have to get used to the fact that one team will come, will take the graph up, the second team will capitalize on that. पहले क्रेडिट देने की बात होती थी कि ये मेरा टीम था, मैंने ये कराया था. Now that thing is gone. प्लेयर से भी निकल गया है और coaching
माइलस्टोन्स
staff
भी
से
उनके
भी
दिमाग से
निकल
हट
गया.
गए।
team first individual later
Yes.
So we
simple
have to get used to the fact that कि ये बनाया बनाया सूर्या का भी बनाया हुआ टीम किसी को मिलेगा और वो उसको उस ऊपर के लेवल पे
Right,
लेके जाएगा.
correct
एक I think I have an interesting point in this. I was thinking about this today. The big four that we were talking about in the Indian cricket: Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, Saurav Ganguly, and VVS Lakshman. You see, everyone has played a role in this transition, and I personally feel they've played so much against the Australian team, the dominating Australian team, that they have picked up those, those pointers, and they have picked up that culture, that mentality. Every person in his own way is trying to bring that in. You see, Ganguly as an administrator tried to bring that in during his tenure as a president, and even from outside he is helping Delhi captains churn out players.
Exactly.
VVS Lakshman COE, we don't have to talk about that because everyone knows what kind of
Work is happening over there.
what is happening
उसका
there.
बिहाइंड द सीन्स बहुत ज्यादा
हाँ.
काम चल रहा है।
yes exactly.
Rahul Dravid, उसने ये culture
देखा
जो
भी है.
Rahul Dravid और इसका,
correct.
and yesterday Sanju Samson
Sachin
spoke
Tendulkar
about
का.
how Sachin Tendulkar has helped him.
Yeah.
So this thing that is happening, this big four, they have helped during the game. Now they are helping after the game.
I guess the entire
Good.
the entire ecosystem,
Yeah.
is well coordinated, is what we feel. And this transmission of knowledge from top right at the grassroots level,
Yeah.
that is the biggest thing. जो हम लोग जैसे प्लेयर आईपीएल के टीम में भी सिलेक्ट होता है, एनीवन कोई भी यंग होता है उसको पता है कि कैसे खेलना है, क्योंकि मोर और लेस वो टेम्पलेट या कॉन्वर्सेशंस उसके अराउंड होता है और उसको भी समझ में आता है कि बॉस मैं स्टेप इन कर रहा हूँ तो मिनिमम एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि मेरे को ये करके ही निकलना है.
यहाँ पे सबको पता चल गया है कि भाई ये टेम्पलेट है, ये इंटेंशन है,
Correct.
ये अगर तुम्हारा ये इंटेंशन है, तुम मैच हो रहे हो तो तुम ये टीम में हो, अगर तुमको लग रहा है कि तुम में थोड़ी भी कमी है तो तुम बाहर जाके वो फुलफिल करके आओ तो ही तुमको है, अभी टीम तुम्हारे एडजस्ट नहीं करेगा.
Exactly.
आईपीएल
ये
के
जो
टीम्स
culture
जब
है,
ऑक्शंस में जाते हैं
हाँ.
तो they don't pick up players randomly. They know what pitches they are playing on, what requirement is there, and what kind of
वो लोग
players
एक
they
इनिंग
need.
नहीं देखते ना, पूरा सीजन देखते हैं.
The Indian cricket has to be taken forward.
Yes.
That culture was passed on to MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. From Rohit Sharma, that culture has passed on. Otherwise, fans का पहले यही था कि सचिन खत्म हो गया तो हम गेम नहीं देखेंगे.
वो
No.
विराट है,
Indian
रोहित है.
cricket has to go forward, and you will keep churning out legends like that.
बट जो हमने सब बात किया है, ऑब्वियसली 2028 के लिए ये बहुत सारे हेल्प करेगा अपने को.
हाँ.
और मुझे लगता है कि ये जो टीम इंडिया है ये सही ट्रैक पे है.
Correct.
मुझे लगता नहीं कि अनलेस कोई ऐसा हो जाए कि जैसे तुम्हें मतलब इंजरी हो जाए किसको, बड़ा इंजरी हो जाए, वो बाहर हो जाए, हो बुमराह नहीं हो बस वो,
Correct.
ताकि कोई भी चलेगा मुझे.
And
इंजर
while we
बुमराह नहीं
talk
चाहिए
about
मुझे.
this so much into the future, I would like to take a moment and come back to the present. The day we stand today, we are champions today.
World champions.
We are world champions, and we won it on our terms, on our practice, in terms of the game we played, and we should enjoy this moment.
Yeah.
It's everything is going to come. The hard work is going to come again, but it is good to be in the present and enjoy this moment. And
We
are living this
absolutely
moment.
dominated it. I mean, there is nothing else to say. You dominate. Everywhere there can be one blip, there can be one bad game. Not everyone is perfect, like they say. So the Indian team is near perfect. And we were talking about the Indian team scaling slowly, saving the best for the last. I think they did deliver the best in the last.
And now
Absolutely
it's a
crushed
juggernaut.
New Zealand. Yeah.
It's going to be a
And I
juggernaut.
think वर्ल्ड कप के नीचे तो हम लोगों को कुछ चाहिए नहीं
नहीं,
वो
पर
एक माइंडसेट है
अभी रोहित शर्मा
2027
आदत लगा दी है, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी आ गया है, एशिया कप आ गया, T20 वर्ल्ड कप आ गया है।
नेक्स्ट ईयर अफ्रीका इट्स टाइम फॉर अफ्रीका और 2028 में ऑस्ट्रेलिया
बट
न्यूजीलैंड
भाई अभी
लेट्स गो
अभी नेक्स्ट आईपीएल आ रहा है थोड़ा नहीं नेक्स्ट अभी आईपीएल आ रहा है। आईपीएल का भी वीडियोस हर टीम का हम लोग सॉस एनालिसिस करने वाले हैं, उसके वीडियोस भी आने वाले हैं, तो आप लोग बने रहिए। और आपके कमेंट्स और कुछ क्वेश्चन होगा तो प्लीज़ आप नीचे लिख दीजिए, हम गार्डन वाले लड़के गार्डन में घूमते रहेंगे। चलो फिर इसी बात पे
तो
किसी महापुरुष ने क्या कहा था
कि हम ही है गार्डन वाले लड़के साइनिंग ऑफ।